Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got a quick unboxing to do. We're going to be checking it out, seeing what I picked up from eBay for the new limited 2000 4x4 4Runner. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? So before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So I picked this up from eBay. I'm 100% positive the information is wrong. It did come from Rome City, Indiana. It says Hand Shoes Online Sales. No, this stuff is for the 4Runner. It's for the limited. Maybe they just sell multiple things, or maybe they happen to own that company and they are parting out a 4Runner, maybe. I don't know. Let's see what we have in here. Bag is empty. This looks like it might be... Looks like it might be the some cables for the stereo. Let's see. Ah, okay, so these are the two cables that I ordered from these guys, which are, and I didn't realize it was going to come with a mounting plate. That's kind of nice. Trying to get this. Come on. Trying to get this mount plate off. There you go. So this is kind of like a rubberized little nut. Just a little soft nut that's got threading. See, it's soft. So this guy is actually this cable right here. This cable right here. I was hoping it was going to have a cover, because I usually just lay this on the floor right and between my seat. I was kind of wish it had a cover, and it doesn't, but so this is always exposed. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to see if I can get a cover for it, or I might have to order a different one. But this has a HDMI cable and a USB cable, and I only paid 25 bucks for two of them, so it's not too bad. I got two of them. You know, maybe I'll mount one in the Ford, but kind of wish they would have had some kind of cover on them, but to protect them from dirt and ingress, because they're going to be in a vehicle. So here's the other one. But they look nicely made. They look pretty well made, to be honest, and this looks like just a valance cover. Yep. So you mount this to the dash and these two holes, or wherever you're going to mount it, and then you would pop this cover on. It'll actually pop in through these two clips in the back. But 25 bucks is not bad for two of them. Thank you for shopping with us. Don't forget to save our page as an inventory changes daily. Coupon code. They sent me a little extra 20% off coupon code, which is kind of nice. But these may not be exactly what I needed, because I needed them to be like this one. Which technically these look the same, so I could possibly maybe find this little rubber grommet right here. with a cap cover, and it should work. Let's see, does this? Yep, it pops over that, the new one too. So these can be used. I would just prefer to find a little rubber cover for them. So that shouldn't be too hard. They're the same. But you know, that's it. That's all I picked up on this one. Just a quick video. You know, 25 bucks. They were like, when you buy more than one, it made them quite a bit cheaper. So I think they were like 19 a piece originally, and by me purchasing two, because I always like having extras around anyways, purchasing two isn't too bad. It actually, I think it brought it down to like $10 a piece, something like that. And then it's set up like that. Then it's locked in. Maybe I can make some kind of square rubberized cover or something that will go over this piece maybe. You know, if you guys have ideas how I can make a rubber cover for this, so that way the dust and water and stuff doesn't get into them while they're not being used, let me know. But it's just a quick video. I purchased two of them. I'm going to put them back in the bags for now because I'm not wiring the stereo yet. Still waiting for I'm waiting for the Pioneer wire harness to start wiring everything in. But 25 bucks, not too bad. They're very easy to find. The one I showed you that I have that has that little rubber cover is a Sigma cable. These are supposed to be Sigma cables also. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Just a quick video showing you what I picked up for the new truck. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And if you guys would like me to leave this link, let me know. I will try to remember to leave it in the description below. But if I don't remember, and you know, after editing and everything, I am kind of sick. You know, I just got out of, you know, being in a car accident. Just picked up another truck. So that way I can put mine down and let her rest while I get her fixed up. So I'm a little under the weather still, between the accident and my back pain and having the flu, that I had 102.5, 103 degree temperature a couple days ago. I'm feeling a little better. But if I do forget, just guys leave a comment and let me know, hey, you know, you forgot to put a link to eBay or where you found these cables, and I will do my best. I will go find the link or a similar item or the exact same item, and I will link it in your comment for you if that helps. I do apologize if I forget, but if I don't, you know, it should be in the description. If it's not, then just let me know. Appreciate your guys' time so very much. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Hope to see you guys on the next episode. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!